What's up guys, it's your boy Lex Money. In today's video we jump straight back into VRA. Now before we start guys, I appreciate all of you more than you can imagine, so please go and pause the video, drop me a sub, and let's get into VRA. What is up and happy Sunday everybody, happy Sunday, happy whatever day you're watching this on. Look at this, VRA is number 5 on the top tweeted altcoins for this week. Guys, it's like the same every week. And again, I just want to say to you guys, like, it is not always for positive reasons. Sometimes it's for negative. Now, I know a lot of you guys, I mean, you're waiting for people to upload VRA videos, and even I'm waiting for people to see what their opinions are. Nobody wants to touch this thing. You're going to see a lot of people stop making videos about coins that have FUD because they're worried about their reputation, right? They're worried about, oh, okay, I spoke about this coin. Maybe it's not doing so well, so I'm just going to completely ignore it. That is not what we're doing over here. I'm going to make sure that all of you guys are up to date with how I feel about VRA, what I'm doing, if I'm holding, if I'm selling, if I'm buying more, right? So today we'll go and check out our trading view at the end. We're going to go and find out exactly what we've been doing over the past couple of weeks, and then you guys can let me know in the comments exactly how you're feeling. And remember, all comments are welcome, guys. If you're not feeling too happy about VRA, go and let me know in the comments. Now, Bitcoin is in the midst of some volatility, guys. We're at 64k. ETH is at 3.15k. Now, one of the things that I'll be looking for will be the strength of VRA when Ethereum does pump. Obviously, ETH is the alt daddy. Is it going to be able to bring VRA along with it? But the general crypto market, guys, I mean, it looks like it has been in a time of accumulation over the past couple of weeks. And that's what I've been telling you guys on this channel for the past couple of weeks, to basically accumulate your top coins. Now, this was from last week, but CreoEngine actually did partner with VRA for a video and watch to earn adoption program. So they're going to be adding the proof of view technology into CreoEngine, which is going to be really, really cool for a lot of you gamers. But are we going to start to get more bullish news that comes out for VRA? All the stuff they've been doing behind the scenes, and I know we'd like to see them, you know, tweet everything that they're doing all the time, but are we just going to start to get this inflow of marketing coming out over the coming months, basically, over the end of summer? I mean, VRA is still yet to be listed on some tier 1 exchanges as well. So that leads me to believe, guys, that there is still some room for more liquidity and more trading volume to come as well if it does get listed on one of these exchanges. And like I said, look, we were in accumulation for altcoins. The bear market is accumulation for Bitcoin, and where we are now is accumulation for the altcoins. A lot of big players will start to roll their Bitcoin profits over into Ethereum and the rest of the alts. That is just how it works, guys, okay? So while you may be thinking, why is my alt not moving? Why are some alts moving? Why are some not? It's because the true alt season hasn't even started yet, guys. And if we open this up here, you see here, guys, we could potentially be facing one of the last altcoin seasons that could make us truly generational wealth, guys. Because look at the 2016 rally, look at the 2020 rally, the 2024 rally. We're currently retesting this structure here. Are we going to have this final break for one of the last major alt seasons? And now it's so easy to get addicted to price, guys, and I get it. I mean, I get when the team aren't being as vocal as you would like it, and everybody online is telling you that VRA is a scam, and then they fudge you out of coins. The only thing that can fud me out is me doing my own research and deciding for myself that, you know what, maybe this isn't going to work. I'm not going to take just random opinions online, guys. And I know a lot of you guys, you'll be going onto Twitter, you'll be typing in ticker symbol VRA, and you're going to see a lot of negativity in the comments. But look at this. On the RSI, guys, is this a bullish divergence that is about to happen? Will this bring VRA back up to this 0.007 cents? And remember, we're at an area now which we started accumulating VRA at. We're still above where we initially started accumulating VRA. And now, before we do get into the trading view, guys, I just don't want this to be any of you guys, okay? You can make your own decision. You don't have to hold the coins that I hold. You can hold whatever the hell you want at the end of the day. It is your money. It is your investment decision. POV 2025, I should have held my VRA from 0.005 in last May. And this is where a lot of investors get mentally just shaken out of the market forever, because there's these big crashes, big corrections. Maybe they don't get the news that they were expecting. There are some changes in the systems and processes of certain coins, and then they say, you know what, I am out. I saw one of my comments today said he got fudded out of ICP. We already know how bullish we are for ICP, right? So if people are getting fudded out of top coins like that, you can imagine it's going to be easier for them to get fudded out of VRA, but not me. And again, if you are, up to you, but if you're not, then go and let me in the comments, VRA gang. Just make sure that you set yourself up for no regrets in 2025. Now let's go check out the trading view. Well, you look at that, guys. we've recaptured this structure that we've been printing from October last year, guys. Okay, we had the fake out, came back into this channel. It looked like it was going to be a bear trap here, but we've actually got the reclaim, guys. Now, the initial prices that we got on this channel for VRA from when I was posting it last year was 0.0037, 0.0044, and then 0.0066. Okay, so it's only our top entry that we're down 10% on, guys. Okay, remember, we were down here, everyone was saying it was going to 0, and I made a video and I said to you guys, there's no way I'm selling, no way, no way, no way, no way, I'll let this thing go to 0. Again, you guys don't have to let these things go to 0, but there was no way that with these entries, I'm going to be selling out because the team maybe didn't update us the way that they should. And I know there's been changes in CEOs and stuff like that, and that's scaring a lot of people, but at the end of the day, guys, realistically, none of the fundamentals have really changed. I know that they changed to a 2-token system, but again, this isn't going to be diluting the VRA market, guys. You don't have to buy the POV tokens. You don't have to. You can, but you don't have to. No one's forcing you to do that. There's no swap from VRA to POV and you have to migrate your tokens. There's nothing like that, guys. So again, there's many reasons why people are bearish. However, I am making sure that I stick to the plan because I've been here before. There's been so many coins that people have tried to fund me out of, or people get scared of because there's a change in the roadmap and they're not happy, okay? But I held. And what happened in the long run? They survived, okay? And even while we may not get the upper areas of what we were expecting, maybe we won't get to, what, 35 cents, okay? Maybe we only get to 20 cents. Maybe we only retouch the all-time high. But there's no way that at this point of the market I'm selling for a loss. And go and check out Bitcoin right now. As I say to you many times over, guys, we completed the 20% correction, which we completed 4 times already. And in all of these corrections, people were saying that they were going to stupid low prices that never came. Everyone's coin that wasn't performing so well got flooded out. People were leaving the market and they buy back up here. Okay, so that is not going to be me. Hopefully it's not going to be any of you guys. But you can let me know how you're feeling about VRA. I mean, looking at this chart, looking at the fact that the fundamentals haven't changed, POV tokens haven't even come out, so we don't even know how the market's really going to react to that. Guys, I mean, I am holding on to VRA, and are we going to get one last entry at this 0.0066 level for an amazing buying opportunity for VRA? I think we're going to get that pretty soon. So you guys need to make your own decisions. But that's it. I know some of you guys may be a bit annoyed why I haven't told you what exactly to do, but at the end of the day, we are halfway through this cycle, guys. So you need to start to make your own decisions. Don't just rely on me. Don't just rely on anybody on YouTube. You have to be researching for yourself and actually realizing why you're holding certain coins. So let me know what you're feeling about VRA in the comments. If you got this far, pause the video, smash that like button, go and drop me a sub. I'm going to see you in the next one. Peace, guys.